Today we are going to discuss some important topic, that is determinant, and in previous video we have discussed some basic rules and rules of determinant. So today's video is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to discuss some basic questions, and after it we can discuss some rules or theorems. So today's videos is going to be very interesting because we are going to discuss some questions, some basic questions. What is the basic question? So what is the question? Question number 1 is evaluate 3, 7, 8 and -4. So students, this is a question, and what is the answer? We have to multiply them. So if question is like this, a1, b1, a2, b2, then how can we solve? We have to multiply this by this and this by this, and you have to use negative sign. So we can say a1 b2 minus b1 a2 is the answer. So what is the answer? -12 minus 56. So students, what is your answer? Your answer is -68. So students, this is your answer. Now 68 is your answer. Now next question is evaluate 3x, 3x plus 1, 3x minus 1 and 3x. This is your second question. These are the examples. Question number 1, this is question number 2. These are the extra questions. So when we are going to solve this question, we can we know that 3x is multiplied by 3x. So 3x multiplied by 3x minus 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. So this multiplied by this and this multiplied by this. So we can say that it is 9x square minus, what about it? This is a plus b and a minus b. So we can say that 3x to the power 2 plus, there is the minus 1 to the power whole square. So it is 9x square minus, it is 9x square minus 1. So we can say that 9x square minus 9x square plus 1. So it is cancelled by this. So answer is the 1. So students, this is your answer. So you can understand very better that what is the question and what is the answer. Answer is the 1. Now what is the next question? Next question is cos theta. Next question is cos theta, cos theta, sin theta, and it here it is a sin theta, and it here it is a cos theta. So we can say that question is a cos theta, sin theta, and minus sin theta and cos theta. So it here it is a sin theta, and we have to find the value. So question is the same. Question number 3, evaluate the value of this. So how can we solve this question? If we are going to solve this question, we can say that this is multiplied by this. So we can say that it is cos square theta. It here it is a plus plus. So we can say that minus minus plus. So minus is already there. So we can say that it is sin square theta. So we can say cos square theta minus sin square theta means it is a cos 2 theta. So students, your answer is cos 2 theta. Suppose it here, what happened if question is like this? If question is cos theta minus sin theta and it is a sin theta and cos theta, then students, what is the answer? Answer is cos square theta plus, it is a minus and minus it is a plus. So we can say that it is sin square theta. So we can say that this is a 1. So always remember that a square plus ab plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square, and it here it is a plus b, and it here it is a minus b. Question is this: a square plus ab plus b square, and it here a plus b, and on that side a square minus ab plus b square, and other side is a minus b. So how can we solve this question? if we are going to solve this question, we have to just multiply to each other. So we can say that a square plus ab plus b square multiplied by a minus b, and a square minus ab plus b square multiplied by a plus b. So students, first a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square and minus a plus b. It is a square minus ab plus b square. Students, this is your question, and we have to multiply them. So now a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, what is the formula? This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. And what about it? This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. So we can say that a cube minus b cube minus a cube minus b cube. So a cube is cancelled by a cube, so remaining part is the minus 2b cube. So students, your answer is the minus 2b cube. Okay, so next question is coming. Next question, what is the next question? When we are going to solve next question, that is a sin 10 minus cos 10. Sin 10 minus cos 10. This is the question. Question is sin 10 degree minus cos 10 degree, and at here it is a sin 80 degree and it is cos 80 degree is equal to 1. This is your question. Sin 10 minus cos 10, sin 80 cos 80. How can we solve this question? It is very simple to solve this question. How? We just multiply to each other. Okay, how? Sin 10 multiplied by cos 80 plus cos 10 multiplied by sin 80. So students, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, this is the formula of sin A plus B. So we can say that it is a sin 10 plus 80 degree. So students, it is a sin 90 degree. You know very well what is the value of sin 90. Sin 90 values is 1. So we can say that answer is 1. So students, this is a very simple way to find the values of determinants. You can understand better by these examples. If you want to, then we can solve some more questions. Okay, so next question is, what is the next question? Next question is x plus 2y minus x plus 2y minus y, x plus 2y at here, that is the minus y, and 3x and 4 is here, 3x and 4 is at here, and equal to minus 4 3 equal to minus 4 3 6 4 equal to minus equal to minus 4 3 6 4 minus 4 3 6 4, and this is a question, and then find the value of x and y. Then find the value of x and y. So students, this is a question. X plus 2y minus y, 3x and 4, and equal is there, but always remember that this is not the matrix, so you can't equalate by corresponding elements. Always remember that x plus 2y is not equal to 4. This is not the proper way to solve. This is a determinant, so we have to solve this and this also. So if you are going to solve this question, so we can find the value by this. So how can we find the value? So now there are The question, if x plus 2y 3x minus y 4, then find the value of x and y. So how can we solve this question? X plus 2y and it is a 4 x plus 2y and equal minus 3 xy equal minus 16 minus 18. So it is a 4x plus 8y minus 3xy equal minus 34. So it is a 4x plus 8y minus 3xy equal minus 34. So students, this is the equation. Now if you want to find the value, then how can we solve this question? We have to use some proper method. So what we are going to solve this question, this is a 4x plus 2y plus, this is minus and minus, so it is plus. Now comparing of coefficients, we can say that this is a first term and it is a first term, so we can say that by comparing uh, 4x plus 2y equal minus 16 and 3xy equal minus 18. So x plus 2y equal minus 4 and xy equal minus 6. Now value of y equal minus 6 upon x. So put the value of y, so we can say that x minus 6, it is a x plus 2 and the y values is a minus 6 upon x equal minus 4. So we can say by first and it is a second, by first and second, it is a x square minus 12 equal minus 4x. It is x square and it is a minus 12 and it is 4x. So we can say that x square minus 4x plus x square plus 4x minus 12 equal 0. Now do the factor of this. So x square minus 4x, x square plus 4x minus 12 equal 0. So what is the factor? 6 into 2. So x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 equal 0. So x is a common, so x plus 6 and minus 2 is the common, so x plus 6 equal 0. So we can say that x plus 6 and x minus 2 equal 0. So we can say that x plus 6 equal 0, either x plus 6 equal 0 or x minus 2 equal 0. So we can say that there are two answers. One is the x equal 6, x equal minus 6 or x equal 2. If x equal minus 6, so we can say that y equal minus 6 upon 6. So we can say that y equal minus 6 upon minus 6. So we can say that y equal 1. But if x equal 2, so we can say y equal minus 6 upon 2. So we can say that y equal minus 3. So there are two answers. One is the x equal minus 6 and y equal 1. Other is x equal 2 and y equal minus 3. So students, this is your answer. Now next question is find the value, evaluate log a base b 1 and it is a 1 log b base a. This is a question. Now we have to solve this question just to multiply them. So what is a log a base b into log b base a minus 1. So students, you know that log a base b or log b base a, just opposite is there. So we can say the value of this is a 1. So we can say that 1 minus 1 equals 0. So your answer is a 0. So this is a very simple question, students. This is a question, log a base b 1, 1, log b base a. So answer is a 0. So it is your answer. Now we are going to solve some more questions. Find the value of determinant. Next question is, next example is, find the determinant, find the value. Find the value. So students, what is the question? 6, 7, minus 3, minus 2 is the question. Find the value. So how can we find? This is a determinant and you can solve the value is easily. It is a minus 12 and it is 21. So it is a minus 12 and it is a negative sign is already, so that is a minus minus plus, so we can say that it is 21. So it is a 9. So your answer is a 9. Now next question. Next question is if x plus 1 x square minus x plus 1 x plus 1 and x minus 1 is the question. Find the value. Find the value. How can you find? If question is this, then we can solve this, just multiply them. So we can say that x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. It is a x plus 1, it is a x square minus x plus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay, question is correct. X plus 1 and x minus 1 is here, and this is a x plus 1 and multiplied by x square minus x plus 1. So students, this is your question. Now you know very well that a plus b and a minus b, so we can say that it is a x square minus 1 and here is a minus. So what students, what is the, which formula is this? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, means this is a formula of a cube x plus 1 and a x square minus x plus 1. So this is a formula of a cube minus a cube plus b cube. So we can say that it is a x cube minus 1, x cube plus 1. So this is a x square minus x cube minus 1. So x square minus 1, x square minus 1 minus x cube minus 1. So we can say that it is a minus x cube plus x square minus 2 is your answer. So students, this is your question. Minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, minus 5. So students, this is a question, and what is the proper answer of this? If we are going to solve this determinant, you know very well that we have to open this by rows or columns. So we are going to open by first two. So we can say that it is minus 2 and it here it is a just eliminate rows and columns. So the remaining part is 0, 0, 3, minus 5, then minus 3, then it is a minus 1, 0, 0, minus 5. About what is a minus 1? It is a minus 1, so we can say that minus 1, 0, 0, 3. So it is a minus 2, it is a 0, minus 0, so it is 0, minus 3, it is a 5, minus 0, minus 1, it is a minus 3, minus 0. So students, it is a 0, it is a minus 15, it is a 3, so it is a minus 12 is your answer. Now this is completed.